Creating an artist account on Spotify allows musicians and bands to share their music with a global audience. Here's a concise guide. Prepare your music. Make sure your music is ready for release and meets Spotify's content guidelines. Sign up or log in. If you don't already have a Spotify account, sign up for one. If you do, log in. Visit Spotify for Artists. Go to the Spotify for Artists website and click Get Access. Claim your artist profile. Search for your artist name on Spotify. If it appears, claim it. If not, you will need to distribute your music through a digital distributor like DistroKid, TuneCore, or others. Verify your identity. Spotify will ask you to verify your identity as an artist. This can involve providing social media profiles, music distribution links, or other relevant information. Customize your profile. Once verified, you can customize your artist profile by adding a profile picture, header image, and artist bio. Make it engaging to attract fans. Submit music for release. If you haven't already, use a digital distributor to upload and distribute your music to Spotify. Spotify will automatically link your artist profile to your music. Monitor and promote. Use Spotify for Artists to track your music's performance, see listener demographics, and promote your music through Spotify playlists, social media, and other channels. Engage with fans. Interact with your fans through Spotify, update your artist bio, and keep your profile and music fresh and engaging.